Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. In our last video, we saw how to put on a aftermarket weed eat head, and we did that. So we still have the problem with the grass getting stuck in here, but for this next video, I also ordered a brush blade. Here we see that. Got a shield around it. That's pretty cool. This is supposedly will fit on most weed eaters, and you can use it to cut brush up to about an inch thick. So we're going to test that out. All that came with it was a little aluminum washer. Not sure how we're going to make that fit. So let's see what we can do here. Well, I am not sure about this at all. There is like no self-centering . We'll go ahead and remove these. Alright, well, I don't know about this, but let's try it out. Alright, not the prettiest process, but it does cut, and it cuts very good. So I'm pleased with that purchase. And it'll make trimming out hedges and brush like that a little bit easier. So hopefully that gave you a good idea or helped you out. If so, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe. That'll help out all the YouTubers that make videos like this. I'm a little bit out of breath. It's not quite as easy as it looks. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.